All right, this video is about my reaction to the Aviation Technical Education Council. In this council, they advocate for aviation maintenance technicians. That's their biggest things. Between the Part 147 schools, like the college students, they now are implementing regulations for military maintainers competency tests. I don't know how long that would be. I'll be keeping an eye on that, of course, because that's going to affect me in a good way, I believe. And for the military members too. So less written tests, more practical tests, which you guys will excel at. But you want to like this conference is because I got to meet employers, I got to meet people who are part of the board on this council, where I want to be more involved with some of these committees, so that way I can have a little bit of influence for the military maintainers. Like I said, sending up letters to Congress and stuff like that, and have nothing but great things to say about the board members and the members of it, and as well as the sponsors and stuff like that. If you own a company or you're running a company and stuff like that, try to get your company to get involved with this council, because they can make big differences in your industry. Tara was amazing, and Crystal was she was very nice with me and open to listening to everybody's opinions and stuff like that. And I believe this is a great organization where they work really hard to push what's good for the education of military maintainers and trying to solve this huge problem of the shortage. So if you own something or you're a manager and you need high level positions, or start talking to your unions about it to make sure that we can improve our aviation maintenance community. So it was great. It was held in Chicago, where AIM had their own facility, and I thought it was a great facility. And hopefully that I can make partnerships and networking with everybody there. And there was a lot of vendors, there was a lot of members there sponsoring the program, and they're very passionate about aviation maintenance, especially the educational part of it. Go there solo, speak your mind as well. Like this board that I went to, it was open invite, so I was able to say my 2 cents in it with the whole entire board. So it was great. It started some great conversations and networking to improve the service for my military members, and some knowledge, some insights of what they're looking for in a military maintainer. So big number one thing I heard from a lot of them: get your 8610-2.